Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reactivate a disabled AdSense account in 2026. So if your account got disabled and you're trying to recover it, this guide will walk you through the real steps you can try. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Then check the main dashboard message for the exact reason your account was disabled. Now click the Policy Center to see the detailed violation. Google usually explains whether it's invalid traffic, policy violations, or repeated issues. This step is important because you can't reactivate an account without fixing the exact problem first. If it's a content issue, remove copyrighted material, low-quality content, or anything that breaks AdSense policies. If the issue is invalid traffic, stop using any paid ads, bots, or unsafe traffic sources immediately. Now go to the Appeal section and submit a request to review your account. Be honest and clearly explain what you fixed. After submitting, Google will review your account. This can take a few days or sometimes longer depending on the case. Keep checking your email and AdSense notifications for updates about your appeal result. And if your appeal is rejected, sometimes the decision is permanent, especially for serious or repeated violations. The best way to avoid this is to always follow AdSense policies and keep your traffic and content clean from the beginning. So that's how to reactivate a disabled AdSense account in 2026. If you fix the issues properly and submit a strong appeal, you have the best chance of recovery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.